If your phone is lagging while watching Instagram Reels, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, open settings on your phone and make sure that you are connected to a reliable internet connection. If your current connection is slow, you can try disconnecting and then reconnecting once again. Once you're sure that your internet connection is stable and reliable, you can go to App Store and search Instagram on the search tab. Once you've searched Instagram, just press the Instagram icon or Instagram button and then check if there are any updates available. You'll see in my case that there is an update available, so I'll just press the update button and then wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the update is complete, you can check if the reels are still lagging. If they're still laggy, the last thing you can do is go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and then press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, press Settings and Privacy and then scroll down until you see the Help or Report a Problem button. Here, I just press the Help button and Help icon and then the Report a Problem button. Once you've pressed Report a Problem, you'll be led to this page where you have to type the current problem that you are experiencing. So you can simply type, I'm having a problem watching Reels, it's laggy, and then I need help. Once you're done typing, just press Send and wait for a few hours or a few days for your report to be solved. And that's how easy it is to solve the lagging problem in Reels. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.